This is Belgian Coticule Sharpening stone. It is a natural combination stone. There we go. Nice if the autofocus stayed focused, but it was lapped and chamfered on both sides. It's a fairly dense stone with a pretty tight grain. This particular stone is 6 15/16 of an inch long by 1 7/16 of an inch wide by 11/16 of an inch thick. Can't feel that. There seems to be a little bit of seam on top of seam, all fused together by nature. But I've put razors to this and nothing's happened. So you can see. I swear this camera will focus on anything but what I want it to focus on. And zoom out. What isn't really capturing in this is it's a little bit of like a, I don't want to say bluish hue, but it's almost like a grayish smoked effect going on one side of the stone. It doesn't pick up very well. Anyway, Belgian Coticule natural combination stone. Nice size. Nice size for hand toning. Nice size for blades that might have a little bit of a warp but not too big. Slightly narrower than some of them, but it still has good track. Reasonably heavy for its size. Anyway, thanks for looking.